Hello. You may have noticed that I have a lot of pictures of my dog and videos on my YouTube channel, and that's because, when I had just graduated high school, and after a bit of college, my dog was one of my primary best friends because I had not seen many of my friends in a while, and yeah, so basically just hung out with my dog and would come home from work and throw the ball and kind of helped me through some tough times, although he did end up chewing one of my socks and having to get surgery, which costs like $2,000. But so if you have a golden retriever, I would recommend you watch that. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know why that's the primary content on my channel, because he played a big role in my life, and now I don't see him, but yeah, still have the funny videos, so have a good day.